Trackies, welcome back to another video here on TXT Track Time. Please remember to like the video and also subscribe to the channel. Now, kicking things off, we're starting with the Commonwealth Youth Games that are being held in Trinidad and Tobago. And you don't know, from a track and field, Jamaica have it up on the medal podium, right? So, kicking things off with the man I've dubbed the superhero so far at these championships, Shaquane Daneil. Now, he's come up first. Yes, this is his first medal so far. You know, he came up in the men's 100 meters and he finished third. Now, taking the win was Teddy Wilson from England. He ran 10.37 seconds. And in second place, also from England, was Ibuku, and he ran 10.43 seconds. And Shaquane Daneil finished in third, running 10.43 seconds as well, to be separated by the thousandth of a second from Ibuka. Now, moving on to Shaquane's second medal of the meet. His pet event, he came up in the men's 110-meter hurdles. He brushed himself off and he said, look here, that hurdles is going to be mine. And so said. He walked away with the gold here, running 13.16 seconds to take the win, and also run a Commonwealth Youth Games record. Absolutely phenomenal. As I said, I've dubbed him the hero of the championships, and he is indeed so. Now in second place was Noah Hanson from England, and he ran 13.20 seconds. So he did give Shaquane a fight, but Shaquane toughed it out and said, look here, I'm gonna race this, and him take it. Now also from Jamaica in third place was Daniel Wright, and he ran 13.45 seconds to take that bronze medal. Now also, trackies, to round out the medals that we've received so far at the championships was also, you know, Daniel Wright. Again, maybe I should be dubbing them, you know, two superheroes of this championship, because, you know, they seem to be the ones that collected the medals here at the championships. Now, in the men's 400-meter hurdles, he came up here and he took the win, trackies, running 51.51 seconds. Absolutely phenomenal by him. Now, in second place from Sri Lanka was, forgive me for the pronunciation, Lingnage Kuda, and he placed second, running 51.61 seconds. And in third place from England, Oliver Parker, he ran 52.36 seconds to take the bronze medal. Anyway, trackies, I changed my mind. Again, Daniel Wright and Shaquane Daneil, to me, are standout performers here for Jamaica. Both of them being on the medal table for Jamaica, and both of them twice garnering gold and bronze. Interesting. Moving on from the Commonwealth Youth Games, let's talk about Noah Lyles. Now, he made a jaw-dropping post, you know, on his Instagram, you know, shocking, you know, the world over. Now, he said, I will run 9.65 and 19.10. Yes, he also further went on to caption this post saying, you know, they say if they don't know your dreams, then they can't shoot them down. But I have always been more of a guy who loves to hear the screams from the haters. Got a nice ring to it. Is that haters? Okay, it looks like haters. But anyway, with that said, trackies, you don't know, Noah Lyles is letting the world know, you know, his goals that he's hoping to attain, you know, sometime, I suppose, you know, in the near future. Now, of course, a lot of people have come out, you know, to shoot down his goals. Like he did say, you know, he likes to let people hear about it so that they can say whatever they want to say. Personally, you know, when it comes to that, you know, 200 meters, I definitely think it's attainable for him, you know, considering that he's already run, you know, 19.3 seconds. You know, where else are you going to aim? You know, you have to aim something better than the world record, in my opinion. You know, when you look at what Sherika has done, you know, 21.45, the next best thing, you know, is the world record. Again, that sits at, you know, 21.34. So we're all sitting over here saying, hey, shoot for the world record, go beyond that. So I don't see any issues with, you know, Noah Lyles trying to go beyond, you know, that 19.19, considering that he's already run, you know, 19.30. I say go for it. You know what I mean? No, don't get me wrong. When it comes to that men's 100 meters, I'm not going to lie, that's a little bit way out there. Now, 9.69 to 65, sorry, to me sounds a little bit, you know, off his pace. And the reason I'm saying that, you know, his personal best currently sits at, you know, 9.86. And so far this season, he has run, you know, 9.94. So, yeah, not anything to really write home about in the men's 100 meters. So he wants to run 9.65 trackers. I don't really see it as something, attainable for him. But again, there is nothing wrong, with having a goal to target. That's what we all do in our day-to-day life. Set targets and work towards them. So best of luck to Noah Lyles. I'd love to see, these records go. Yes, I'm Jamaican, but at the end of the day, you want to see the sport grow. You want to continue enjoying the sport. And sometimes, records can actually put a damper on the development of the sport, the entertainment value. So again, reach for it, Noah. Let's see where that goes at the end of the day. Now moving on to a phenomenal woman that, just 4 months after giving birth, she has decided to shock the world and of course head to the World Championships to compete in the women's 400 meters. Now for a few months, we've heard that she's working out. She went to her trials, and the she I'm talking about, of course, is Shaunae Miller-Uibo from the Bahamas. Yes, that completely amazing woman decided that I'm feeling good enough. I'm fit enough. I'm heading off to the World Championships to represent myself and my country. Absolutely, ridiculous. Now, personally, what do I think about it? Of course, I'm absolutely stoked, seeing a woman, being able to, come back so soon after childbirth, and, compete, at the highest level, on the highest stage, one of the highest stages, for athletics. Absolutely ridiculous, crazy. I support her 100%. But then when I think about, it realistically in terms of, will we be able to get, the Shaunae Miller that will be featuring for, a medal? Maybe I'm not really thinking, medal-wise. I'm thinking maybe she's trying to keep fit, to head into, possibly the next season, much more sharp than if she sat around and waited, then it will take, a bit longer for her body to, get reacclimatized to track and field. So she's like, look here. I've just popped this baby out. I'm feeling good. I'm ready. I turned up at my trials. I'm ready to go. So, that's very interesting. And I can't wait to see what she does, at the World Championships in Budapest. And of course, I wish her all the best. Again, woman to woman, I am definitely supporting her 100%. I want to see, what Shaunae Miller will be able to do. Just imagine if she actually challenges for a medal. I swear, everybody would be like, including me. But anyway, no. Somebody that I've been checking the list, that is not listed in an event, because we were over here. Is she going? Is she not going? She's going. Yes, she's going. No, she's not going. So no, it's finally settled. She is not going. And the she I'm referring to is Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce. She will not be partaking in the women's 200 meters for Jamaica, at the World Championships in Budapest. Personally, I'm a little disappointed. You know what I mean? Based on her personal best, she's definitely always going to be a medal contender in that event. Maybe not the ultimate, medal, the gold, but still a medal nonetheless. However, she understands her body. She knows exactly what she's capable of. So if she's like, listen, this is it for me, no more 200 meters, I understand. And of course, I appreciate, all her efforts throughout the years, representing Jamaica over that 100 meters and of course the 200 meters and of course, garnering so many medals for us to cheer and scream for. So yeah, only one event for her this time around, but we'll still be there repping her 100% over that 100 meters. Yeah, the relay is a team, event when that comes up later, but her only individual event will be the women's 100 meters, and I can't wait to see what she does there. I have her doing something fantastic. Nothing has changed in my mind. I support my athletes 100% until the moment has come and something else happens. Otherwise, I'm behind them 100%. Now with that said, track is sound off in the comment section below. Let me know your thoughts on the most recent topics. Like the video and subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.